Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at crypto.com DeFi wallet, and Bitcoin is sitting around 37,400 and CRO about 40 cents. All right. So as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, CRO is going to keep going up. But today what we're doing is I have a bunch of CRO staked here and it's time to collect. So let's go in to where we have it. We got 3.67 CRO. We're going to go claim rewards, claim to restake because we want to compound that interest, and build on the CRO that we already have. So pretty good, pretty good. I like it a lot. So you can see it does take a little bit of time. You can see it says claiming and taking CRO. So as soon as that's done, we'll be able to go back into the app there and see how much that we have collected. So let's go back in there now. It takes a minute. So let's go here, go back into CRO. You can see we've been claimed and we're up to 2157 in that one. All right, we got 1,000 there. All right, if it's less than 2, I usually don't claim it. Just because it does cost a fraction of a CRO to claim and the gas fee and whatever. So just let that build up for a while and then we'll claim it. And you can see we can just build and build and build. Alright guys, if you guys want to know how to do that and make 10%, 12% interest on your CRO, go back and watch my other videos and see how you stake. So, very bullish on CRO in the future. It's gone to $1 here in the next 3 to 6 months. And Bitcoin is going up. Hopefully to 100K real soon. The next 3 to 6 months, I anticipate. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.